Good morning, students. I hope you all have gone through your grammar book because we have already started voice change, active and passive voice. So we have already started the chapter, and the previous day you all have got to know about all types, means all the tenses, means the way they are being changed in case of passive. So today we will be, and we had a discussion of first 10 questions. Those questions were supposed to be changed from active to passive voice. So today we will obviously discuss the rest questions. Answers will be discussed. Along with that, certain things we need to know, that is, when do we use active voice and when do we need to use passive voice. So when the speaker is more important, when you need to put more emphasis on the doer, we generally use active voice. Whereas when the action is more important, we use passive voice. Okay. Now sometime we can means it's, as I told, it is in the format of passive voice, that we need to put by and then the subject of the active voice, active sentence. But here somewhere some of the spaces are there where you can omit by. Means when the work is more important, you need to put emphasis on the work or the thing that is done. In such cases you can omit do. As for example, you can take an exercise B, the first question, that is, the convict was locked up in the cell by the guard. Now the person is a convict, so the more important thing is the convict was locked up in the cell by the guard or by the police or by someone else. That is secondary, but the primary thing, the basic thing and the foremost thing is the convict was locked up in the cell. So here in this sentence we can obviously omit by the guard. Like another one, as for example, if we take like the ground was crowded, the ground was crowded with people. Now it's crowded means that is important. Crowded itself has the word itself has some people within it. So the ground was crowded, this is enough. With people is not that much mandatory. So in these are the things. So here also today I had this thing to say. Another thing is, as I told it on the previous day, when one active voice, in an active voice, we will find two objects, one direct and another indirect object. So any of the objects can be subject in passive voice. Okay. In case of passive voice, in passive change, any of the objects can be the subject in the passive voice sentence. Now one student has asked me about have and has. See, I hope you are in class 8, so basic thing you know, where do we use have and where do we use has. So with first person singular plural and with the third person plural, that is we generally use that is they, or we generally use have. First person singular plural and with third person plural, and with you also we generally use have, and rest are the third person singular number, and any for third person singular number, he, she, anything, we generally use has. So in case of passive voice change, we generally follow, means in active voice whatever is the object, that becomes a subject in passive voice. So have or has will be decided as per the object in active voice. Okay, suppose they have a, like suppose in your active sentence, maybe active voice, the subject is in singular number. Okay, third person singular number, so there it may be has. But if the object is in plural, it will definitely carry have along with it. So you will get it more clearly if you go through all the examples. I think then it will be clear to you. If still you cannot understand, you once again let me know. I will definitely try to answer you. Now we will focus on the question answer part. So you can see on the screen we had a discussion regarding first 10 sentences the previous day. So today we will discuss from number 11. So number 11 has the question, the sentence, active voice, that is the director wrote the script. Obviously the script was written by the director. You need to try these answers by your own self first, then you need to listen to this discussion. Okay. Number 12, someone left a phone in the theater. So a phone was left in the theater by someone. Okay. Now here, by someone, a phone was left in the theater. So it's quite obvious it was left by someone. So you can give by someone, you cannot give someone. Marks will not be deducted because here leaving the phone is more important. The work is more important. In the theater, someone has left the phone. Okay. So number 13, he will water the lawn tomorrow. So the lawn will be watered tomorrow by him. Number 14, before the elections, the politician had promised clean drinking water for all. So this sentence, this is a long sentence, large sentence. So we need to find out subject, verb and object first. Okay. Now the subject, what? Before the elections, it cannot be subject. The politician. In active voice, we need to find out first subject, verb and object. So here, before the election cannot be subject. The politician had promised clean drinking water. So we got our subject, verb and object. Subject is politician, had promised, verb, and clean drinking water is object. So what will we put? So we can put before the election and for all. These are extra. Okay, before the election and for all, these are extra. So these extra we can put at the very beginning or at the very end. So let us start with before the election only. So before the election, because that will only make the sentence provide complete sense. So before the election, clean drinking water. Clean drinking water is a object, so it will become subject in passive voice. So before the elections, clean drinking water. Now had promised, the politician had promised. It will be had been promised. Okay. So before the election, clean drinking water had been promised for all by the politician. Okay. I hope it's clear to you all. Number 15. Rohit must follow my directions. So my directions must be followed by Rohit. Number 16. Has she explained all the rules? Sentence. The sentence itself is in interrogative form. So passive voice will also be in interrogative form. Now here the one who has asked me about have and has, here also you can get it clear. See, has she explained? She is third person singular number. So she carries has along with this word. So she explained all the rules, but here object is all the rules. So all the rules is in plural form. So definitely the sentence, the interrogative sentence means in passive voice, it will start with have. Though in active voice we find has as the subject or doer in that sentence is in singular number. But here we find object in plural number. So the plural number means the object in active voice will definitely turn subject in passive voice. So it will be have all the rules been followed by her. Okay, because it is said has she explained has she explained all the rules, it will be have all the rules been explained by her. Okay, because here with 15 and 16 I mix up. Okay, let it go. I'm sorry for that. So the basic structure will remain the same. Like, has she explained all the rules? Has she explained all the rules? This is the sentence in active voice. And in passive voice, what will be the change? Have all the rules been explained by her? Okay. So I think it's clear to you all now. Number 17. Astronauts may discover water on Mars. Now, astronauts may discover. We find modal here. So, astronauts may discover water on Mars. Object is obviously water. Now, and astronauts subject and may discover. Discover. May modal verb, discover is the main verb. So, water may be discovered on Mars by astronauts. Number 18. Children are plucking flowers from the garden. Flowers are being plucked from the garden by the children. By children. Children are plucking flowers from the garden. So, flowers are being plucked from the garden by children. Number 19. Number 19 is quite similar to number 14. Here also some extra phrases are given in order to confuse us. So, but we will not get confused. See, by the year 2050, scientists will have discovered an alternative to petrol. Now, we need to find out subject, verb and object. So, subject obviously scientists, and object is an alternative to petrol, and will have discovered is verb, and by the year 2050 this is extra part. So we can put it at the very beginning. That will provide the sentence complete sense. So if we change it into passive, it will be by the year 2050 an alternative to petrol will have been discovered by scientists. Okay. Number 19. Have you put the fruits in the baskets? In the basket? So here, have you put the fruits in the basket? Fruits, plural. And with you, we generally use have. So have you put, it will remain have only because fruits, plural. So have the fruits been put in the basket? It will be the change in passive voice. I hope all of you have understood. I had discussed all the rules the previous day. That's why I discussed all these questions today, because I asked you all to do these answers by your own self. That's why now all of you must pause the video right here, and you must open your study material where you will get 2 more exercises which you need to complete right now. Okay, so please do pause the video right here, open the study material, and right now you all do those 2 exercises, and then again you can play the video and you can watch rest of the video. I hope all of you will do that. So the next exercise you will find, that is, you need to check whether the following sentences are correct or wrong. You need to correct the wrong sentences. In which way? You are provided, you are given option also how to make them correct. Number A, that is option A, that is you need to remove the doer if not needed, or number B, that is option B, that is you need to change into active if the passive is not appropriate. Okay. So the first question is, as I discussed it while making you understand. So the same sentence, only the convict was locked up in the cell by the guard. So here the sentence, the convict was locked up in the cell. Person is convict. So that is the most important thing, that he was somehow locked up. Who did it? That is not, it can be locked up by the guards or by police, by some other man. That is less important. But the most important is the convict was somehow locked up. So here we can omit by the guard portion. So here the convict was locked up in the cell. If we do up to this much, then I think by the guard is not that much required. So we can omit the doer here. Number 2. A song was sung by Jaya. It is a song was sung. Generally we sing, the word sung itself has a song hidden within it. So we need to just change it into active voice. So Jaya sang a song. Okay, as it is given in passive form, so we will be just turning it into active. So we will be following option B, that is number B. So Jaya sang a song. Number 3. The ground was crowded with people. The ground was crowded with people. So when it's crowded means obviously it has some common folk over there, a mass crowd. So obviously the ground was crowded, this much enough with people, we can omit. Number 4. All the goods were sold by the salesman. So generally salesmen, they sell goods. So here also all the goods were sold. If we say up to this much, then also the passive form is constructed. Passive form is formed. So by the salesman we can omit. Number 5. German is learned by me. It is given in passive form. So we need to turn it into active. I learn German. Okay. Now next exercise, there you will get, you need to change certain sentence. You need to change the following sentences into passive using each of the 2 objects as subject. That the second rule I explained today, where you will get 2 objects, one direct, another indirect. So any of the objects can be your subject in your passive voice. So that means we need to provide 2 options against each question. The first question is, the courier will deliver the parcel to the client. Okay. So here we find the courier will be delivered. The courier will deliver the parcel to the client. So parcel and client, we find 2 objects. So here we can say that the parcel will be delivered to the client. The parcel will be delivered to the client by the courier. Another option can be, the client will be delivered the parcel by the courier. I hope you all understood. So first, subject can be in passive form, that is parcel or client. Okay. If the client is the subject in your passive form, then it will be the client will be delivered the parcel by the courier. Or if you make the parcel subject in your passive form, so the parcel will be delivered to the client by the courier. I hope all of you understood. Now number 2. My friends gave me a wonderful gift. So here me and wonderful gift, these 2 are objects. So here we can write, my friends gave me a wonderful gift. So I was given a wonderful gift by my friends. 1. And if you want to make wonderful gift as subject in your passive voice, so a wonderful gift was given to me by my friends. I hope you all understood. Now number 3. Priya teaches dance to children and adults. So here dance and children and adults, these 2 objects we find. Priya is the subject in active voice. So we can change it like, children and adults are taught dance by Priya, or dance is taught to children and adults by Priya. Any, if you make dance, you can make dance your subject in passive voice, or children and adults in your passive voice. Okay. Okay, number 4. The parents wrote a letter to the principal. So letter and principal, these 2 are objects. So if you want to make letter your object, so a letter was written to the principal by the parents, and if you want to make the principal as your subject in passive form, so the principal was written a letter by the parents. Number 5. Kunal passed the ball to Gaurav. So ball and Gaurav, these two are objects. So if you want to make the ball as your subject in passive form, so the ball was passed to Gaurav by Kunal. And if you want to make Gaurav your subject in passive voice, so Gaurav was passed the ball by Kunal. And number 6, the leader told us many lies. Means us, means we, and lie, many lies. These two are objects. So if you want to make us or we as subject, so us will be turned into we. So we were told many lies by the leader, number 1. And if you want to make many lies your subject in passive form, so many lies were told to us by the leader. I hope all of you understood today's discussion. Only one part left, voice change in imperative sentence. That I will do on the next day, because you need to put more focus on this part. Well, you will get 2 objects and the way you change. You need to learn both. So in order to provide you scope to concentrate on this part, I will leave that part. The next day we will start that. I hope it will be helpful for you all. So keep on doing your work. Thank you. Have a nice day.